100 years is a long time. It's enough time to become the worldwide name for top quality survival products. Family owned and operated, for 100 years we've been proudly serving and adapting, using new technology to deliver quality, performance, and innovation every day in all we do. When your product saves lives, a higher standard is held. An American standard. The Switlik standard. No room for error. No compromising. It's our job to be ready to perform when the worst happens. It's our job to expect the unexpected. Every product is tested to ensure its life-saving quality. Everything we produce is meticulously made right here in the United States, ready to go in any situation to save lives all over the world. Every day we strive to be one step ahead of our customers' needs. 100 years is a long time, but we're just getting started.